Maybe you have a Jeep vehicle. If by chance you need to remove your glove box, what you're going to do is open it. Inside here, you're going to see there's like a little clip here, and it is connected to like a cable here. So we're just going to put our hand on the outside here. Enough light. So we're just going to pull that cable back and out. Then there's going to be a little tab right here. So I need to push that in and pull down, and now you're going to see this. Pull up, come to the other side, and it will drop down. And here's that little cable. And now with the glove box down, what you're going to do is you're going to see your cabin air filter is behind the glove box. And there's two little tabs over here. So you're actually going to squeeze those down, and then you pull. And if yours is brand new, you might really have to get up under there with one hand and pinch with the other. So it's in there pretty tight. But once you get it loosened up, you'll just rock that back. And there's like a hinge over here. It'll just pull out of. And then there's your cabin air filter. And we're gonna get this and we're gonna slide it straight out. There's our air filter. This one's virtually brand new. It's a new vehicle. And then to put your new one back in, or if you just wanted to vacuum it out, and then you're just gonna slide it back in there. Get it placed, and then you'll have to, and as you can see, this is paper fiber on the outside, so you'll be able to adjust it as you need. So again, you'll get it started, and then it'll just slide back in, pretty easy. And then you're going to put the hinge side up. And there's a little hole there you're going to get it slid into, and then once that slides in over there, this side we're just going to rock over and push, make sure it clicks to seal it, and that's your cabin air filter. Now to get your glove box back on, it's pretty simple. You're just going to keep it hanging upside down. You're going to get those tabs to come up over the top of it, and it's virtually just going to go up, and then you can just slide it up, and then you're just going to put your little safety retainer back into place and push it back into that hole. Secure. Hopefully this helps, and as always, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.
Arrgh.